Hey, so in this video, I just really quickly wanted to show you how to connect your site to Google and get that connected to your SEO. So it's really simple to do. All you want to do is access your site dashboard. So however you decide to get here, and then if you click on the dashboard here in the upper left-hand corner, this will always take you to the home page. And as always, if you can't find what you're looking for by clicking on the buttons on the left, sometimes that gets a little confusing and the buttons change. You can always just click on the search bar and type it in. And you could type in SEO, and then that should be able to take you there. Get found on Google with the SEO whiz. But what we're going to do is we're going to go down here to the marketing and SEO tab, and you can either click on that tab or there you can see that there is a pop-up menu that pulls up that's kind of like a quick select menu, and you can just click on Get Found on Google. Now, if you are a client of ours, which I'm assuming if you're watching this video you are, then what we've done is we've already done the keyword research. We've already plugged everything into every page. We've optimized the images and all of that. Your keywords are located up here. So then all you have to do, all of these should be green. So that means that we've gone in and made sure that we've done all the steps to have it ready for you. So all you need to do is on this little one right here where it says connect your site to Google Search Console, that's where you're going to click on Go for it. And it's going to pull up a menu where it will ask you which Google account you want to associate your website with. I do recommend that if you have a professional, like a G Suite Gmail, connecting it to that one and doing that first. And the reason for that is just because if you hire anyone professionally to check your SEO or anything like that, you don't really want that being connected to your personal Gmail. So if you have not yet gotten a mailbox that's connected to your domain, you can go ahead and do that first. And that's really easy to do. Actually, if you click on mailbox, you can see here it'll say get and manage mailboxes for your account. Wix is an authorized G Suite reseller, so you can manage your mailbox instead of having to go to, so let's see here. So instead of going to G Suite and purchasing it from here, you can purchase it, a G Suite or a professional mailbox right through Wix. And then it kind of just makes it really easy and seamless because you can manage all of that right from your account. So if you have not yet done that, I would recommend going ahead doing that first. And then once that is ready and set up, it should take maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Then come in here and click on this button, and it'll walk you through it. It's super simple to do. And then once it's connected, sometimes it can take 24 to 48 hours. And then as soon as that connects, that means that your website for the search terms that we put in or that you put in, it takes some time. So it's not going to be like instantly getting found on Google, but obviously the goal when people type in your search terms is to have yours listed. So SEO is something like a fine wine. It kind of builds over time. So give it time. Don't be alarmed if you go to Google and you don't see it within the first day. Like, it takes time to do that. So the longer you have it connected and the sooner you connect it, the better. Okay. All right. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please go ahead and feel free to reach out to us. Otherwise, once this is done, you're all set and you're connected to Google.